How to adjust LCD. Select the Components tab, and import the Graphics LCD Controller module. If Graphics LCD Controller module is not displayed in the list of components, click Download More Software Components, and download it. If the board was selected when creating the project, pins used by Graphics LCD Controller module are set automatically. Once click the Generate Code button to generate the code, installing the LCD controller will be changed to added state. Click each setting button to adjust the LCD display. By clicking Start Display Adjustment button, the adjustment is possible while checking the display status on the actual LCD. In case of existing errors, an error mark will be displayed. Hover the mouse over the error value to see the guide and follow it to modify the value. Click Generate File button to output header file that reflects the LCD adjustment result.